this week we're going to have, for grammar, we're going to have contractions. Okay, and I know we've learned this, so this is review for you guys. So we're going to do some examples of what contractions are. And again, if you have your whiteboard and marker handy, grab it so you can practice some examples with me. Okay, so contraction, first of all, what is it? Okay, so contractions are when you have two words and you connect them together with what we call an apostrophe. Take the apostrophe and you connect the two words. Okay, so for example, if I have the word can plus not, I'm going to turn it into a contraction, which is going to be can't. Okay, so I got rid of the N and the O, and I replaced them with an apostrophe, and I turned it into a contraction. So any word that has not is going to be N apostrophe T. So when you have two words that have not, it's going to be N apostrophe T. Okay? Another one is do plus not. Okay, and again, you can do this in your whiteboard. Will turn into don't. Again, not N apostrophe T. You end up losing the O and gets replaced with the apostrophe. Is plus not. And again, right on your whiteboard, what would it be? Is plus not will be isn't. You lose the O and turn it into an apostrophe. Okay, so the apostrophe takes the place of the O. Okay, so I think those are pretty simple, right? So let's try some
with a different word.
The word with had or would. Okay, so these ones are a little bit different, so you can use it either way. So you can say, I had a puppy. Okay. So had turns into the apostrophe D, or it could also be, I would like to go to the store tomorrow. You can say again, I'd like to go to the store tomorrow. So you would know which one to use, had or would, depending on how you are using it. So you wouldn't say, I had like to go to the store tomorrow. Okay? You wouldn't say had, you would say I would. So again, apostrophe D replaces had or would. You can also use he would like to go to the store with you. Okay? So he'd like to go to the store with you instead of he had like to go to the store with you. Again, knowing which one to use depends on what kind of sentence you are using. Alright guys, so we learned when you use not, okay? But a tricky one is going to be when you have will plus not, okay? So you can't say,
if you don't clean your room, you willn't go outside to play.
Okay? So this one is a different one. So instead of using willn't, you will say won't. So this is one that changes a little bit. Instead of saying willn't, okay, that's not a word, turns into won't. Is and has. He's my big brother. He is my big brother. He's gone to the store 3 times already today. So like he has gone to the store 3 times already. Okay? He's taller than me. He is. Kind of like when we did the would and had. This just depends a little bit on how you are using them. So be very careful when you're using has or is. Okay? So let's try only a few examples just so you can practice. Whiteboard and marker out. and pause the video as you need to. Has plus not. Carlos has not finished his homework yet. I want you to go ahead and turn it into a contraction. He hasn't. So check your whiteboard, make sure it matches mine.
Okay, let's try another one.
Okay. He would like to go to the store and buy more groceries. Write it on your whiteboard. Check. Okay. And one more. And write it down.
Good job, guys. Check your work. Watch the videos as much as you need to. Go back and review, and then do your work in Seesaw. Alright? See you later, guys.